Hi, this is Jericho, and I never watch Quad MFT's videos, but you should, and here it comes.
How's my quad squad doing? It's the man, the myth, the legend here at PAX East 2014 in Boston, Massachusetts. We're going to be taking an interview with Jericho. What's going on, man?
Hey, man, thanks for taking the time out of your day to interview me.
Interview you. All right,
Yes.
you ready for the questions?
Yeah, the man, the myth, the legend. How can I not be?
Exactly. Thank you, man. All right. Take the first one right here. If you could pick one superpower to have for 1 week, what would you get?
Why only a week?
I don't know. I mean,
Okay,
forever?
does it have to be?
Okay, sure, forever.
Yeah, forever. Does it have to be?
Forever, sure.
Okay. Teleportation would be pretty cool. I don't know.
pretty nice.
I don't know about you, but airfare is pretty expensive.
That's true. Yeah.
I can't. I mean, I don't have that kind of time in my life, so
That's true,
I got to
yeah,
go
all the
with the
time.
teleportation. Go to Canada and back.
Just everywhere.
Right.
Whenever you needed to. All right. Who's the most famous person you've ever met?
Ooh. Justin Bieber.
Oh, when did you meet him?
Can't talk about
Were you with
that.
Sam?
No,
Oh,
I got blindfolded and they took me into a back room and he was just there. It was me and him.
Oh, okay,
and,
okay.
No,
Can't
but
say
really,
it.
yes,
Can't
but
say it.
Justin Bieber.
All right. I got you. What else do you Oh, what?
Can't tell
okay.
that story.
All right.
That story is locked away in the vault. That's all
All right,
you
what
get.
is your go-to order when you go to, let's say, McDonald's?
That's so messed up.
Yeah, you got it.
Diarrhea? No.
Oh, no, I saw a vlog.
Yeah, my
a Lazy
vlog.
Sunday vlog.
The
Yeah.
McGriddle's a solid
Yeah, that's
choice,
good.
but
Oh.
it's the only choice. That or fries.
Oh, yeah,
I
yeah,
don't think
I
you
mean-
can order anything else at McDonald's.
No, of
to be
course.
honest.
That's the, like you were saying, the pancake bun is.
Who thought of that?
It's impeccable. It's
So
just
smart.
Oh yeah.
God.
It's amazing. All right. If you were given a chance to live as a character in any video game, what would you choose and who?
Man, with the difficult questions. What's the? I don't even know the main guy's name in Animal Crossing, but his life
Animal
is.
Crossing.
I mean, I don't know why I just chose that, but he has
He
got
has a pretty solid life.
all he does is he picks berries and runs around in his town. I know he's got to be like everyone's bitch, and they just
Yeah.
dig up gardens and stuff. I'm sorry for my language, but like, I mean, to be completely honest, his life is pretty
Yeah.
easy.
Yeah,
Except he's
it's an
always
easy
in
life.
debt.
Yeah, that's.
Pac-Man's pretty cool too.
Yeah, I mean, he kind of get boring, but yeah.
Chased
I
by
can see
ghosts?
it. Scary. Scary. All right. What is the worst physical injury you've ever had?
I've actually been really fortunate, never broken a bone, despite
solid.
playing sports all my life. I think the worst one though is I didn't tear. I pulled my MCL and my ACL.
Oh, that's like the worst thing to pull.
It was so scary. I've never been
Yeah.
so scared in my life. I was like, I am not going to be able to walk upstairs anymore. I'm going to have to live on one floor level buildings,
Yeah,
or
no
I'm going
more
to get
PAX Prime. you
the
know.
granny lifts.
Yeah,
I want to
exactly.
get. Actually, that would be a good plus. I'm going to go tear my ACL now, but
Just for the lift.
just for the lifts, right? But yeah, that's probably the scariest thing
Yeah.
that I've had. Just
that would suck.
It was
right?
rough.
What's your favorite candy? Come on.
favorite candy.
You know you got one.
I really don't. I'm not a big candy guy.
All right.
I'd have to say Sour Patch just because I like
Solid.
making my tongue bleed because that's the only thing
yes.
they do.
Incredible.
The
yeah.
first 5 are good, and then after that, it's just
Yeah,
physical pain.
It's a great sensation.
I don't know why you'd make that big of a bag.
All right. Do you believe in
it.
Bigfoot?
No.
You don't? You don't
That's
think
the
he's out
dumbest
there?
question I've ever been asked.
All right. What is the next big thing you want to buy? Something you would need to like save up money for.
A house. It's not even remotely even close whatsoever. But
where do you want to? If you like.
anywhere that's anywhere that I need to
short
be.
now.
Yeah, but we're renting that house,
yeah.
and God forbid I have the money to actually purchase a house. I need. If I'm gonna buy something big, it's
Yeah.
gonna be a house
A
because
house.
who knows what could happen
Yeah,
inside
that's
a house.
true, huh? That's very true. All right. What is the typical YouTube comment that you're tired of reading over and over?
I'm not gonna say the check out my channel
Yeah,
comment
yeah.
because the spam
That's
blocker
generic.
actually works though.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, because you have to click review comments and all that.
No, I just leave it there and then it just keeps them in the spam. I don't know. It's too
Yeah.
much work. The typical YouTube comment that I'm tired of reading is
Yeah.
probably like first. I know
First,
that's
yeah,
a
I
very
gotcha.
generic one, but like
Yeah, I mean,
3 years old.
You see it every
God.
video. All right. Do you ever give money to different people who are on the street, homeless people?
Panhandlers?
Yeah.
That's such a loaded question, and I can't answer that correctly. Like, either it's a yes or
Yeah.
to be honest, no, I do not. I donate to several charities. I don't think.
donated to the girl who's your parents' neighbors.
Oh yes.
I donated, I think like 15
neither one
bucks.
of whom are homeless, but
I was just saying.
No, if I'm gonna donate to someone who's in need, it's gonna be someone through a verified charity where I know the money's going.
Yeah,
so.
that's good. It's good Good choice. All right. If you could sit down and have lunch with one famous YouTuber,
Myself.
Oh, okay, of course. But no, like, would you pick like? I'd honestly say PewDiePie.
You know, it would be very interesting to hear his take on everything,
Yeah.
including his own ridiculous fame. I would do Philip DeFranco because I've
He's a
talked
good
with
guy.
him, and he's just he's a very smart individual
Yeah.
when it comes down to it.
Yeah, he's a good guy.
Plus, he's been around forever.
All right. What did you have for dinner last night?
I went to the Cheesecake Factory. Sonia,
that fun?
where is she? She disappeared. My girlfriend's
She's just gone,
She's
yeah.
dead.
Yeah.
I'll move on. Don't
Yeah,
worry.
don't worry. Don't eat her. She's gone.
She made me eat at the Cheesecake Factory, so I had tomato basil chicken pasta,
And
which
that was quality.
I did not eat it all, but
the
serving
kind of a waste.
sizes
Oh, okay, big serving.
huge.
All right. Yeah, I gotcha. What is the best practical joke that you've ever done or has been done to you? I've seen a few scares done by like Gold Glove.
that's pretty much it.
Good, yeah.
But I've never done something as elaborate as that. Tom Syndicate.
Yeah.
Once my dog growls whenever Tom's near because Tom and him have a beef.
Just for
so
some reason.
Tom sneaks around on the balcony in the back, lays down behind my bed, and Griswold's growling. So I turn and there's no one there because he's behind my bed. He lays there for 30 minutes until my dog goes to sleep, and then he gets up and scares me. And I was like, I appreciate
It's that long.
I was like, that's dedication,
Yeah,
but like,
that's-
think of all the things you could have done with 30 minutes.
30 minutes is waiting to scare you.
Yeah, right.
Trying to avoid Griswold. All right.
Horrible.
Who would you cast to play you in the movie version?
I definitely see I get these all the time, you know, in the comments section. I don't see the resemblance, but people always say that I look like Denzel Washington, and I think I have the same
Yeah.
acting range
I
as
could
him.
see it. Denzel Washington looks
But
a lot like
either him or Ashton Kutcher.
either one.
I mean, both are pretty good.
Maybe if they had a baby or something. You kind of look similar.
That'd be the weirdest child. That's not even physically possible.
No, I mean
they're both guys.
Well, I mean, they've
That's-
tried.
yes.
Okay, but all right. Can you tell us about the most impressive new game you've seen here so far?
I have not seen a
Saturday
single
right
new
now?
game here yet.
I've only played one, and all the lines,
What was
especially today. It was the Evolve game because I had an interview with JD 2020.
Oh,
And
is
so
that
we got
what
to
he's
go
doing?
way ahead in the line
Now.
And then,
I mean, I was gonna check it out. It looked fun. Looks like a Borderlands
It's like
sequel of sorts.
It's kind of like a Left 4 Dead, to be honest. It's like there's 4 people, and then there's a monster that, you know, kind of just like the Left 4 Dead co-op scenario. But
I could see that being very fun. Gold Glove said it was fun. I'm down to do it. I'm gonna
Yeah.
play it today.
Cool.
Still have not touched the game.
hope you're looking forward to it. All right, what is the best thing you've ever done on a date?
Sonya.
Yeah. You've done okay. I'm just gonna keep going. All right, let's move on to the lightning
Okay,
round.
lightning- all right, so what do we
here
do?
go.
What is
you
the
choose
lightning
one
round?
phrase, like let's say Battlefield or Titanfall.
Titanfall.
All right, poker, or blackjack,
Neither.
Reese's peanut butter cups or Snickers,
Snickers.
Star Wars or Star Trek,
Star Wars.
PlayStation or Xbox,
PlayStation.
cauliflower or broccoli,
Cauliflower.
Smosh or PewDiePie,
PewDiePie.
Double D's or C cup,
A C cup.
piercings or tattoos,
Tattoos.
coffee or energy drinks,
Coffee.
blondes or brunettes,
Brunettes.
boxing and UFC,
Boxing.
East Coast or West Coast.
East Coast.
Oh, Android or iPhone?
Android.
Missionary or doggy?
Donkey.
Mercedes or BMW?
Mercs.
Cake or pie?
Cake.
Morning person or night owl?
Night owl.
All right, Spider-Man or Batman?
Batman.
Ass man or boob guy?
Ass man.
Skydiving or bungee jumping?
Skydiving.
Waffle or pancakes?
Waffles.
Waffle. Good
Yeah.
man, good man. All right, do you have anything you want to promote? Twitter, Facebook, Instagram?
You guys can check me out on what's your Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.
At Quadum FT and everything Quadum FT.
Check me out.
Check me out right here, man. Subscribe, join the Quad Squad.